Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to change download settings in Google Chrome. Why would you want to know how to change download settings in Google Chrome? Well, maybe it is your first time using Google Chrome and not sure how to change download settings in Google Chrome. So today I am going to show you how to change download settings in Google Chrome. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Changing download settings in Google Chrome is quite simple and easy to do. First of all, open Google Chrome browser. Now on right top corner, you are seeing three dots. Click on it. Click on settings. Now in left corner, you are seeing downloads. Click on it. Now at the top, you are seeing location. Click on it. Click on change and select another default file location. There you go. If you wanted to know how to change download settings in Google Chrome, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.